Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on REALME GT7. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. And now you have to click open, then click agree and continue, and here you have to choose your default browser, or you can just click cancel, and now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can click sign in, or you can click not now, and you can turn notifications from this browser, or you can click not now again. And here you can select your theme, or you can click save and continue, and you can select your toolbar placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.